Are you looking for a smartphone that gives you a flagship feel on a budget? Today, we're testing the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G powerful performance, advanced cameras, and a great design. Is this phone the best choice for your budget? Let's take a closer look. The Galaxy A56 5G has a 7.4mm thin body with a modern linear design. It comes in 4 stunning colors: awesome graphite, awesome light gray, awesome olive, and awesome pink. The phone is made of a metal frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which makes it both durable and premium. Plus, it's IP67 rated, so it can easily withstand dust and splashes of water. The Galaxy A56 5G features a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120 HD refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, and 1200 nits of brightness ensures excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or browsing, this display delivers an immersive experience. The Galaxy A56 5G is powered by an octa-core processor and comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It handles multitasking, gaming, and streaming effortlessly. I tested games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact, and performance was smooth thanks to the improved cooling system. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you're ready for the future of fast networks. The Galaxy A56 5G features a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP front camera. Night photography mode is a great feature that takes bright and detailed photos even in low light. With the help of Object Eraser, you can easily remove unwanted objects from your photos. The Super HDR on the front camera makes your selfie videos look vibrant and professional. The Galaxy A56 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with moderate usage. You can enjoy up to 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, 25W fast charging will help you get back to work faster. The phone runs on One UI 7 based on Android 14, and Samsung has promised 6 years of OS upgrades and security updates. Features like Circled to Search with Google make finding information super easy, and Quick Share lets you send files seamlessly between devices. Plus, if you're switching from an iPhone, Smart Switch makes the transition easy. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek design and durable build. Stunning AMOLED display. Impressive camera performance. Long battery life with fast charging. 6 years of software updates. Cons: the Galaxy A56 5G is a great mid-range smartphone that has a lot to offer. However, the lack of wireless charging and an average macro camera are minor drawbacks. So if you're looking for a premium-feeling phone with great performance, camera, and software support, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G is definitely worth considering. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.